Hello everyone, welcome to TechList. My name is Mihir, and I'm a system administrator by profession. In today's video, I'll walk you through the process of creating a virtual machine on a VMware ES11 host. Let's get started. I already have VMware vSphere running on one of my servers, and I'm logged in using the root account. My storage partition is also set up, so we'll begin by clicking Create VM. Select Create a new virtual machine. Now let's give it a name. I'll call mine Tech DC01. For the guest OS, choose Windows, and for the guest OS version, select Windows Server 2025. I'll also enable Windows virtualization-based security. Since I only have one data store available, I'll leave the storage selection as default. Next, we have the CPU and memory settings. I'll keep these unchanged for now. For the hard disk, I'll switch the provisioning to thin provisioned. Under the CD/DVD option, I'll mount the Windows Server 2025 ISO, which I've already uploaded to the data store. Review the configuration on the summary page, and once everything looks good, click Finish. You'll see the task complete successfully. Now, go to Virtual Machines and open the VM we just created. Clicking on the console window will power on the VM and launch the console. Press any key to boot from the ISO. Choose your language, time, and currency settings, then click Next. Follow the on-screen prompts. Select the Windows Server edition you want to install. Choose whichever best suits your environment. Accept the license terms. Select the disk. I only have one here, so it's straightforward, and click Next to begin the installation. I'll fast forward this part, and we'll continue once the installation finishes. After about 6 to 7 minutes, the VM has rebooted. Since this is a Windows Server installation, we now need to set the administrator password. Create your password and click Finish. And that's it, we've successfully installed Windows Server 2025 on our VMware ES11 host. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. See you in the next video.